A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial where we are going to learn how to share Notion pages with others. Now you'll need to go to notion.so in case you don't have an account, and I'll be leaving the link to that in the description of this video. Now once you register and log into your account, you'll get to this page. However, you notice that I've already created a few team spaces here and pages. So I'll quickly show you how to create the team spaces, then go to how to share them. You notice I currently have your project management, I have Team Lions Travel, I also have a page called Boys to Men Program. So how do we create all this? It's easy. If you want to create a new page, you'll come to the top here and click on new page, and then once you do that, you notice you're able now to type a new page here, and then you create your page. So if you want to create a new workspace, you simply come to team spaces here, and then you click at the top here, new team space. With this, you are able to create a team space, and team spaces are where your team organizes pages, permissions, and members. So you give it an icon and a name. So I'll call this one African Travels page. You can give it an icon here. If you click on that T, you notice you can have icons there. Let me use the icon of an aeroplane. So you can give the description here. Maybe this is for travel and leisure. And then you can decide on permissions here. And the permissions, currently you notice this one is open so that anyone can see and join this team space. So if you want to change the permissions here, you can click on the drop down arrow so that you can set default so that everyone at your Notion must be a member. It can be open like we have explained so that anyone can see this team space but not join, or it can be private, but this one we need to upgrade. This is for business so that only members can see this team space exists. So once you set this one, let me retain it as open. You click on create team space. Then you can now invite people here. In this case, I don't want to invite people for now, so I'll just click on skip for now. So you now notice we have our team space added here. We have African Travels. Now, how do I share the Notion page with others? With the page selected, you will come at the top here and click settings and members. So you'll notice at the top we have the name that we have used, followed by search, then updates, then settings and members. So you click on that, settings and members. So, and this one brings you to your account. In your account, you notice you have my account, my settings, my notifications, my connections, language and region. And then you also notice down here, we have the settings, team spaces, members. So you make sure you click on members here, just in case maybe you are on team spaces here, you may not see what we want to see on this side. So click on members so that on the center side, you are able to see members, groups, and guests. Now, the first thing you notice here, we have the link, and you can share this secret link to invite people to this workspace, and only users who can invite members can see this. So you can reset the link for all the space members to generate a new invite link in case maybe this one gets in the wrong hands and you feel some people who you don't want in the groups or in the workspace are there. So you can copy this and share with them. But now how do we share this page? By just adding members. So you notice here we have members and there's only one member. So if I come to groups, I don't have any groups yet, but you can upgrade this and create groups so that maybe if it's for travel, you have travel groups, so you only share it once, and then you can also have the guests here. So now down here, if I come back to members, you notice here you can click on add members. If you scroll down, you notice there's only one user, that is Joe, and the team spaces are 3, and the access level is this workspace owner. So if I click on this one, this is actually me. You notice I'm the workspace owner, but now I want to add more members here who can change we can change their access. So if I click on add members, you notice here I'll have to select a person, type or paste emails above, separated by commas if there are more. So let me type the email here for this person. So that's for Molo. I can select that and then click on invite. And now you notice here, the members, we have Molo, who is a member of one team space. You notice here, the first one here, Joe, who is the owner, has access to all team spaces, which are 3, but the one we have invited only has access to 1. If we click on their name, you can see now which team space they belong to. That is Team Lions Travel, because it's the one we had selected there. Now, if we come back, if we click back and come to the top right corner here and click on share or publish, this is where we can now have more details on how we can invite people. So we want to invite a person here. We put their email there, and then we can click on their email. Then on the right hand side here, you notice we have full access here. So this person has full access. So if you click on that arrow down here, you can now change those settings. For instance, let me click on the one we invited here for Molo. You click on that down arrow. You notice now you have different access that you can give to this person. One, we have full access, and with full access, the person can edit and share with others. So with the second one here, can edit but not share with others. Then we have the other one, which is can edit content. This can edit content but cannot edit the database views or structure. Then we have the other one, which we can give access as can comment. This person can view and can comment but cannot edit. Then we can give the last access, which is can view. So you notice currently Molo has no access. This is the one that is selected. So we want Molo to be able to view and comment but not edit. So you click on that. So you now notice here it has changed to can comment. So, and with that now, if we were to invite another person, let's say for instance here, let's invite another person. Let's put their email here and then click on invite. So this is the person we want to invite. And then we can decide here if we want to give them full access. So we want this to be different. We want this one to be can view, and then we click on invite. Then we can decide to add to workspace, or we can just add a member without adding to any workspace. So let's just add to workspace. We click on add to workspace. Now you notice we now have Maria here added. We have Molo added, and Molo can view, and Maria 5 can view, but Molo 5 can comment. So that is how to share Notion pages with others. So you now notice this one we have shared as can view, this one we have shared as a person who can comment. And if you want to give a person maybe more access, maybe we want Maria to be part of the admins, we can click on that and then we give Maria full access. You notice it's so easy to change this, and you can even change this at a later date. Maybe now I don't want Maria to be able to comment, I only want her to also view. I'll come back here and just add that. That is how you share Notion page with others. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.